Hello once again, welcome to Clinton Virtual Academy. Today we are going to be looking at our body systems, your body system, my body system. That is what we are going to be looking at. We are going to be looking at the part of the body that we can see without opening anything. The part of the body that you can see outside our body. Part of the body you can see outside. Okay, that is what we are looking at today. Now, if you look at the picture, the part of the girl has been labeled nicely. So you can see where the leg is, where the thigh is, where the finger is. Okay, so you can see a lot of body parts, right? So take your time and go through it carefully. Now, our body is called the human body. And then do you know that your body has so many parts that are useful to you? Now, when you take a look at the picture, like I said, what can you say about the picture? I want you to also look at your body and mention the part of your body like that's in the picture. Okay, like how it is done in the picture. Take a look at your body, then you mention where your knee is, where your finger is, where your toes are. Okay, do that. Now, some of our body parts come in pairs. You have two eyes, you have two ears. Can you mention other parts of the body that comes in pair? When you look at the pictures, you can see that they are in two. Your legs come in two, your eyes are in two, your hands are also in two. Now there are some other body parts that do not come in pair. Okay, you have one nose, you have one neck, and you have one head, right? Or you have two heads. You all have one head. Okay, now you can see that there is only one head here. There is just one neck, one nose. Right, so they are examples of the images are examples of body part that do not come in pair, Now the human body parts and their functions. Well, our body parts can do many things. Okay, each of these parts does different things. Now our head can be found on our head. Okay, and the head is also the part of the body which contains the brain, and the brain helps us to do what? To think. Our eyes also helps us to see. We use our nose to breathe in and out air, and we also use our nose to do what? To smell things. We use our neck support the head, and the neck helps us to turn our head from side to side. Your ears helps you to hear sound. Hands, we use our hands to put food in our mouth. We also use our hand to pick things. We use our hand to clap, and then to do or to write. Our mouth, we use our mouth to eat, to talk, to shout, and sing. Okay, and inside the mouth you can find the teeth and the tongue. Our chest protects our heart and other organs in our chest area. Okay, the stomach receives and stores food we eat. We use our legs to walk, jump, and run. Our knees helps our legs to bend, and when we are also kneeling, we use our knees in kneeling. Now let us remember these things, that our body is called the human body, and some parts come in pairs, others do not come in pairs. And also the head contains the brain, which helps us to do what? To think. Right, now I hope you know the functions of some parts of your body, and you are going to use them accordingly. All right, this is the end of the lesson, and I will see you in our next lesson.